The best kind of days start with a coffee in the sunshine and end with the family, immediate or extended, coming together to share a meal. When I was a kid, Sundays were slower, and family dinners were a big part of that slowness. I remember family dinners being different than any other meal we had for the week. Though the house where I grew up was very small, it was never an issue, since we always made do. Family dinners were also different in that we would eat earlier compared to the normal 5 p.m. When I was a kid, I guess I never paid attention as to why we had the earlier start, but now as an adult, it's much more apparent. They were long. As I wrote this week's blog, I had a big smile on my face and a tear in my eye because while they may have been long, they were enjoyable. They were about family, and they certainly weren't regarded as laborious. You see, back then, it wasn't about simply getting a meal on the table. Rather, it was about getting together as a family to cook, to laugh about what happened during the week, to share stories, and to welcome others to our home. I always joked that my mother taught me to cook for quantity, and my sister taught me to cook for taste. Mom had this pot, and it was the pot that was used weekly, and you can guarantee that whatever was cooked in that pot, be it spaghetti sauce, mac and cheese, or rice pudding, that there was enough for 40 people or for the next 7 days of meals. Cooking has always been a passion of mine for years. I feel comfortable and safe within the confines of my kitchen. I've always had an open concept space where I can still chat with whomever is around while I work away. A couple of weeks ago I had decided to integrate a weekly recipe into my routine where I would find something yummy, create it, take a picture of it, and post it to Pinterest as well as to my website. I originally just thought it'd be a fun challenge, not understanding if it had a bigger purpose or not. That was until last night where it all made sense. While I was working away in the kitchen, I stopped for a moment to pay attention to my surroundings. I had just put the Pyrex dish of lobster, ricotta, and basil cannelloni in the oven while I was taking a sip of wine when I looked over to the kitchen table to see my inspiration and my legacy playing snakes and ladders, and quickly got excited about getting dinner on the table so we could all sit down together, share stories, and laughs. Canadian Legacy Builder is all about partnering with individuals to start the conversation about what happens next after major life events. And what better place to start the conversation than around the kitchen table? In decades past, family dinners with relatives were widespread traditions. While times have changed, there's still value. Everyone benefits. In today's fast-paced, often disconnected society, perhaps it's more crucial than ever, and a wonderful way to slow down a bit and enjoy the people you love, the causes you care about, and the food around you.